Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is
Under HIPAA, which is a reason for releasing or disclosing patient information. D. Identify business associates PHI permission. The answer to the question is under HIPAA, a reason for releasing or disclosing patient information is permission. This means patient information can be disclosed if the patient has given explicit consent or authorization. This is the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave your comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel.